Yes. Good morning, children. In the last class, I have given you subtraction, page number 88, subtraction first and second bits for homework. Yes. Today, I am going to explain you third bit. Subtract and write the answer in the lowest terms. Yes. Subtract and write the answer in the lowest terms. Yes. We will do A1. Third bit A1, children. That is 7 3 by 4 minus 5 3 by 4. Okay. Solution. First, change mixed fractions to improper fractions. Mixed fraction to improper fraction. Okay. So, 7 3 by 4. 4 7s are 28. 29 30 31. That is 31 by 4. Next one, 5 3 by 4. 5 4s are 20. 23 by 4. Now we are going to subtract. 31 by 4 minus 23 by 4. That is, both will write at the same. 31 by minus 23 by 4. In the rough column, do this. 31 minus 23. 1 minus 3 we can't do. 11 it becomes 2. Borrow this one. 11 minus 3, 8. 8 by 4. Okay. Now, both will come in the same table. See. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are. That is 2 by 1. That is nothing but 2. Copy this, children. Now, I will say C1. C1, children. 3 minus 2 1 by 4. Here we does not have any number under the 3. So we are going to put 3 by 1 minus 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. 9 by 4. Yes. Now take LCM of 1 and 4. Okay. That is nothing but, here I will do the sum. 1 4 LCM. LCM is equal to 4. Now, 3 by 1 minus 9 by 4. 1 4s are 3 4s are. 4 1s are 4 1s are. 12 minus 9 by 4. That is 3 by 4. That's all. We can't cancel it in the lowest term. So, we are leaving as 3 by 4. Okay? Yes, children, do other 4 for homework. I said you 2 sums in this bit. Do other 4 sums for homework. Copy them. Copy them, children. Yes. Now I am going to say you 4th bit. Now I am going to say you 4th bit, children. What do you have in your 4th bit? Yes, 4th bit you see, children. 4th bit. Read carefully and solve. A1. From 18, subtract 15 3 by 4. Okay, children, that is nothing but they are asking you to 18 minus 15 3 by 4. Now change 15 3 by 4 to improper fraction. To improper fraction. What you will get? 15 4s are 60. 60 plus 15 3 by 4, that is equal to 63 by 4. Now 18 by 1 minus 63 by 4. Yes? Now take LCM of 1 and 4. LCM is equal to 4. Now what you will get? 18 minus 63 1 into 4, 18 into 4. 4 into 1 into 1. That is 72 minus 63 by 4. That is 72 minus 63. 12 minus 3. 9. That is equal to 9 by 4. Come on, write off. 9 by 4 is your answer. Yes. Now I will say D1. You are going to do B and C for homework. Okay? Copy this, children. Copy this. Yes, have you all copied this? Now, yes, D1. Now I am going to explain you D1. From the class if your video is off. Now, I'll say D1. D1. Subtract 3 from 5 2 by 3. That is nothing but 3 minus 5 2 by 3. 3 minus 5 2 by 3. Now you don't have anything under the 3. 3 by 1 minus 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17 by 3. Now LCM of 1 and 3. That is 1 3. 1 1. So LCM is equal to 3. Now 3 by 1 into 3 into 3 minus 17 into 1 minus 3 into 1. That is nothing but 9 minus 17 by... Wait, children. Whenever they'll give you in the same way, first you have to write the from 1 first. Okay? 5 2 by 3 minus 3 you have to write. Okay? From numbers, whatever you have from that you have to write first. So, now change 5 2 by 3 to improper. Improper fraction. That is nothing but 15, 16, 17 by 3 minus 3 by 1. That is LCM of 3 and 1 is equal to 3. So 17 into 3 into 1 into 1 minus 3 into 3 by 1 into 3 is equal to 17 minus 3 by 9 by 17 minus 9 by 3. 16, 17. That is 8 by 3 over. Okay, children, in the same way you do B1 and C1. Okay, now go to page number 89, simplify. Here we will do only 3 sums, that is enough. No need to do all the 9 problems. Okay. Page number 89. Yes, first bit. A1, 13 by 17 minus 5 by 17 plus 1 by 17. So, step 1, 13 minus 5. Both they have same number, so we can subtract. 13 minus 5, 8. Step 2. 8 by 17 minus 1 by, sorry, plus 1 by 17. That is 9 by 17. Over. This is of A1. Now we will do D1, children. D1 I am showing you here. 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5 minus 2 by 7. Okay. Now first solution. Take LCM of 3, 5, 7. Okay. Now what you are going to get? 3, 5, 7. 3 table. 1, 5, 7. Now 5 table. 1, 1, 7. Now 7. 1, 1, 1. LCM is equal to 3 into 5 into 7. 5 3s are 15. 15 7s are 15. 35 into 3 you do, children. 105. So now you are going to multiply. 2 by 3 into 35 plus 3 by 5 into 5 you leave. 7 3s are 21 minus 2 by 7 into 15 into 15. Now you will get all the denominators same. Now you can do addition or subtraction. 35 2s are 70 by 105 plus 63 by 105 minus 30 by 105. Now we are not. Yes. First, 70 plus 63 you do. 70 plus 63 by 105 first. Minus 30 by 105. 70 plus 63. 133 by 105 minus 30 by 105. That is equal to 1, 0, 103 by 105. 103 by 105. That's all. This will be your answer. Okay? Come on, write this. I'll show you one more. Now I'm going to show you H1. Yes, H1 children. Shall I rub this? Did you all finished? H1 you see. H1. H1 children. What do you have? 5 5 by 6 minus 2 1 by 3 minus 3 1 by 6. Okay children. Now first change mixed fraction to mixed fraction to improper fraction. Okay, 5 5 by 6. That is 6 5 is 30. 30 plus 5. 35 by 6 minus, comma, next one. 2 1 by 3. 3 2 is 6. 7 by 3. Next, 3 6 is 18. 3 1 by 6. 3 6 are 18. That is 19 by 6. Okay children, now we are going to write 35 by 6 minus 7 by 3 minus 19 by 6. First, these two are like fractions. We are going to subtract those two. 35 minus 19 by 6. Yes, This we are going to do afterwards. Yes? Afterwards you are going to write this 7 by 3. First 35 minus 19. You do in the working column. 35 minus 19. 5 minus 9 we can't do. 15 minus 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 6. It is 2 minus 1, 1. That is nothing but 16 by 6 minus 7 by 3. Okay? 16 by 6. 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6. That is 8 minus 7 by 3. 1 by 3 is the answer. Come on, write. Okay, children. With this, we have completed. You do more 2 sums for homework. C1 and C and E you do for homework. Which 2 sums? C and E. With this, we will complete our chapter. In the next class, I am going to explain you multiplication and division of fractions. Okay? Do the homework which I have given you, children. Yes, 1 minute. Yes, children, in the working column, you are going to write these multiplications. What I am giving you all. Like slip test, children. This is like slip test. 3 into 7. 4 into 9. What are these answers you write? 6 into 4. 9 into 0. 12 into 8. 10 into 10. 5 into 6. Yes, come on, write these sums also. You are going to write this in your working column as slip test. Okay? Learn the tables. Thank you.